Hi guys, it's Sherry. I'm in my car. I did make it out for a little bit today, but I'm still not 100%, so I apologize for not putting out videos. Every day I think I'm going to be able to make a video today, and I sit down to try and I just couldn't do it. So thank you for being so patient with me, and I'll be seeing you soon, okay? Thanks everybody. I'm gonna try to record this little strip that I usually record when I'm out. The sun is kind of going down, so I hope it doesn't ruin the video, but here we are. I'm so happy to have made it out for a little bit today. It's springtime, the trees are blooming, or the trees are sprouting, you know, little leaflets and things, so that's exciting. And there's tulips in bloom. There's a ton of tulips. Oh, there's a turkey right there on the side of the road. Can you see him? So that's fun. We'll see a lot of turkeys this time of year. And right now I'm coming up on an old garden store that's been around for a long time. It's very exciting that it's still there. So that's that place. I'm driving, so I can only turn my camera and pretend I can see what I'm recording. And yeah, we're coming through the town of Wacoit. It's a small town in between Falmouth and Mashpee. There's some kind of cool old houses that are still here, and a really pretty old church coming up that you guys usually see when I do this little recording. So let's see, it's coming up right here. Hope I can show you some of the tulips that are out. Yeah, I'm not seeing any there. But isn't that a pretty church right there? So just some really great buildings. I mean, it's fantastic that some of these are still around. Now, to the left of me coming up will be the Wacoit Bay. So there's a little bit of water to the left. And there's like a little sanctuary in there too, which is pretty cool. So I think when I used to live in my house close to here, the one that I owned, I used to watch the osprey go right over my house, and I know they were going to that waterway right there. So that was fun when that was happening. So I think we're gonna get the sun in our eyes, so I better just click out for now. But here's the Wacoit Bay on that side and this side. So hope you're all doing great, and I hope you enjoyed the little clip. And by the way, I do want to apologize for not being able to record videos lately. My son has not been well. I've been taking care of him 24/7. Please pray for my boy. And I think because of that, I'm not feeling so great. So it's been a tough time. Hang in there, be patient. I'm not going anywhere. And I'll be back as soon as I can, okay, everyone? I love you so much. I miss you terribly, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.